Hello guys and welcome here. So in this video we are going to talk about the $DE function inside of Microsoft Excel. So this function is pretty simple to use. It has only two arguments, but it's a little bit complicated to understand. So I'll try to explain it with examples. So this function, as I said, has two arguments. So we have the number as well as the fraction. The way this function, what exactly this function do? This function do. It will give you the number, and after the number, it will fractionate the second part of your number. So if I show it, I do a demonstration. It's going to be for the first one. It's gonna be 1 plus 2 divided by 50. So this is the first formula. So we have our number, which is 1. We have our decimal right here, which is 2, and want to divide it by 50. And in this case, it's going to be 1.04. So if I add a equal sign, it's going to be 1.04. Now, if I run my function here, so it's going to be $DE. I select my number, and I have my fraction there, and I close my parentheses. It's going to be 1.04. If I do the same calculation for our number right there, so it's going to be 1. I'm going to add an equal sign. So 1 plus our decimal right there, it's going to be 5. 5 divided by 20. And I run it, it's going to be 1.25. So if I do the same thing here, I write down my $DE. First element, fractional dollar, it's going to be this one. The second one will be the fraction, and I close my parentheses, and just like that, I'm able to have 1.25. So this is how you use the $DE function inside of Microsoft Excel. So as always, if you like this video, don't forget to leave a like, to subscribe, and see you in another of my videos.